Hey YouTube, it's Jake, and today I'm going to be going over viruses for beginners. So if you just got done with my tutorials, or if you already know some batch and you want to create a simple viruses, then this is going to teach you how. So you just want to open Notepad. Let's see. Alright, so to make a simple, this is like a very simple virus, just do attico off, you do semicolon A, then you do start, and then go to A. So pretty much what this is doing is starting the command prompt, saying start, so that starts up a command prompt dialog, which is just this. And surprisingly, that takes like a 2 megabytes of CPU usage per one. So it's just reopening these, so these will come up really fast, and they'll have like they'll just keep opening them, and their computer start lagging and stuff because it's using all the CPU usage. And then eventually their computer will like freeze, or just just it won't be able to, or really laggy at least, until it freezes. So that's just a simple virus. You can also add an Explorer to that, which will open up like a My Documents, like this type of thing, and it only can open like 50 of those, but that just to do it faster. All right, so that's the first one I'm gonna teach you. And here's another one I'll teach you. I'm sure you've seen this before, but it's just shutdown slash s, which you can do slash S or slash R. If like slash R means restart, S means shutdown. So do that. And then you do a slash T for time. Then you can do 0 seconds, which means it'll shut down immediately. Or you can do like 10 seconds or whatever you want, as long as it's 2 digits. So we'll say 30 seconds. And then you can do that, or you can add a comment if you want. So you do slash C. And then in parentheses you do like lol. Alright, so then you save that as just random, whatever you want, pretty much. Now, when you open it, this will come up. System is shutting down. Please save all work in progress and log off. Any unsaved changes will be lost. And it says message lol. So to get rid of that, you just open command prompt, types shutdown slash A, and that gets rid of it. So if this ever happens to you, you can just get rid of it. And I'll be doing a more complicated one of that in my next tutorial, so just hang in there. Alright. Another one I'll show you. You can just make a bunch of folders on their desktop. So, say, attico off. I don't know if you have to do that. Maybe, probably not. Then you just do folder. Doesn't matter what you do. Just I'm doing folder. And then you just do MD. And then you do the percent sign random percent sign. And then you do go to folder. Oh yeah, but first we need to make sure the directory is. So you do change directory C documents and settings. And then we do percent username, or you could either use username, which means like whoever's logged on this will happen to, or you can do all users, which is more effective, and then desktop parentheses. So now um, it'll change this directory, so it'll be desktop, and then it'll be folder, and then pretty much what it's doing is just looping this. And so make directory random, that just saves a folder and like with random numbers, and then it'll just keep doing that until like the whole desktop is covered with folders. So there's the code for that if you want to pause it and copy it. Alright, so if you want to make like a website virus or something, you can just do attico off start www.google.com, and then wait, actually we'll just do A for now. And then we'll just say ping localhost -n like 5, and then we'll say go to A. So pretty much it's just gonna start google.com every like say 4 seconds ish, like 3 seconds, So like it'll open up, they'll exit out, it'll open up, they'll exit out, and they'll keep doing that. Um, and it'll just keep looping. And if you want to, you can add more sites like uh, just whatever you want to do, and that will just keep popping up and stuff like that. And if you want, you can just take out the ping localhost, and it'll just keep opening and opening web browsers and websites if you don't want to pause it. But it's kind of funnier if you pause it, because then they're like exiting out of it and then it'll pop up again. So that's a simple website virus. Alright, and the next one I'm going to show you is a taskkill virus, which can only be used on Windows Vista computers as far as I know of, because because I have Windows Home, like XP or whatever, and it's not on here, so it might be on Windows XP Pro or something. I'm not sure though, so if you know, you can comment that. But just do add echo off. You don't really need that, I don't think. You just do taskkill explorer.exe, and I'd show you that, but I don't have Vista on this computer anyway, and so I can't show you that right now. But you can test it out, and if you want to get it back, like, so what it does is it pretty much just clears all the icons and the start menu off the screen, so it's just your desktop picture. And to get it back, all you do is Alt Control Delete, which opens up the Task Manager, and then Explorer.exe is right here. It's running, but what it'll do is it'll kill that. And so what you do is you do say if you already done it, you go to Applications, you go to New Task, and then Open. Then you just type in Explorer.exe, and then that'll open everything back up, and it'll be fine. So you can go ahead and test that whenever you want. Alright, and the last one I'm going to show you is actually working our way into the intermediate virus video, my next video I'll make, tutorial. And this is a simple one of it. So just add echo off, echo, this is your computer, I love you. Alright, then it's say, well, first what you want to do is you want to change directory to C, documents, and settings. You can do all users for everyone. So, yeah, we'll do all users. So you do all users. Alright, then you do start menu, programs, and then startup. So let's save it into the folder that runs all the programs that start up when you log in. So then you want to save a new bat file into this directory. So you do echo, you always start with echo, then you do whatever it's going to be in the bat file. In this case, it's going to be another echo because we're doing a message. So we do that for both of these. And then after that, we'll do a pause. So we do echo, pause, and then yeah. So what you want to do to order to save it in there, you have to do a left caret, and then whatever you're going to name it, which in this case I'm just going to do random, but you can name it whatever, and then dot bat. And then since these are all part of the same document, you do 2 carets, which tells the DOS that it's part of the same document, and it's part of this one. And so then you just do the same name, dot bat, and you do the same for the third one. Alright, so pretty much they double click this, and then it's going to copy this into their startup. So every time they log into any profile, since it's all users, it'll pop up with a message that says, "This is your computer, I love you." And then if you want to, you can just copy and paste this and do multiple ones, so multiple messages come up. Or you can do one where this like multiplies. So yeah, that's the end of tutorial 1. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.